Day 3, according to the video that I'm making since 3 days. But this is 2nd of July. Again, running late. Whose fault? My fault, of course. Morning started at 6:45. Though my mom, called me and tried waking me up around 5:30. But no, what I did was just picked up her call, told her that I'm awake, and I slept again. But actually I would have made it. But nahi. I have to do everything. I have to do my things. I have to do other people's things. I have to do everyone's things. भाई कोई सुधारो मुझे, कोई तो सुधारो मुझे. I know nobody's going to come. I have to save my back. Okay, the lesson that I've learned hard way in the morning. I feel like crying such. Is अपना देखो, अपना देखो. I mean, अपना खुद का काम करो और निकलो. Give priority to your own things, to your own self. Because that matters. You're literally making your own loss and trying to please people. Not really please people, but doing things for people, but at what cost? At your loss. Please don't do that. Panupriya, please don't do that. Apna dekh. It's like I'm trying to do everything at a time, I guess. Just feel so uncomfortable, when people are actually seeing me recording this. Though I want to build this confidence at any cost. If I do look good. Yes, of course, good cheezein have come to place, but still running late. Still the punctuality has not come, but that is not going to stop me. I guess I just realized what mistake I was doing. That is waking up early and trying to clean the outdoors. That was the wrong thing that I was doing. God, somebody save my back. I so want to get into this punctuality, man. And you know what? It is my thing. I know I can do it. But the only thing that is stopping me is me. I am not prioritizing my things, my life, myself. So this is what I'm going to do. From now onwards, prioritizing my things. I'm trying to do this since years. Now let's take things seriously, as only 6 months, already 2 days gone. Not 2 days actually, at least 1 day. To chala hi gaya. I so badly want to be punctual, to respect my time. I guess that is the only thing. My aim, my goal is time. Use that time wisely. Because time is money. Time is everything. I guess that is something that everyone have in common. Like every human in this world have in common is time. 24 hours in your life. And what are you doing with it? Me? Not prioritizing my things. My stuffs. My work. My food. My health. Everything has to be mine. Not being selfish, but being self-fulled. I heard this line today in a podcast. And I really like that line so much. So let's not give up, Banu. Let's not give up. And let's do it again. Try again tomorrow. And for that, you have to start working from now onwards. Like from now onwards. And I'm pretty sure that soon, the day is going to come where I will be recording my videos, where I'm not running late, I'm looking pretty, as always I do right now, but still a more presentable way. I hope it doesn't rain. I'm already running late. Please don't. Yes, I forgot the declutter part. I had washed my hairbrushes, like how much ever is there, like mine, like everyone's hairbrushes today. And trust me, it feels good. It really feels good. Like even a 1%, peace I'm getting. I'm grateful for that, literally. And I feel so proud of myself that I did it. It's like, just because I've been doing this consistently, it's only been 3 days, I guess. Today's the 4th day. But you know what? That thing has started hampering me. I don't know if it should be good or bad, but yes, if I'm not cleaning anything, it is bothering me. Like one thing has to be cleaned. I don't want it to, get into an obsession of that, but it's a good thing, I believe. Declutter every day. A small thing, small portion, small place at a time. Hopefully someday it will come to a place where I will be walking out and decluttering those what should I call it? Those zippy facts, zippy stubborn facts, and getting rid of those negative energy by doing workouts and losing them through sweats. Someday, the soon, and what soon? The day is gonna come soon, for sure. And I know I can do it. So, and also, today, finally the day has come where I'm going to get rid of that dustbin. I did. Somewhat, only like cleaning of it is left. Which I will be doing it today. And I'll be done with that. Yay! So happy. Also, yes, one more thing. It's raining. I have to get this done quickly. That is, I've started, recording my expenses, which I used to do. And it lasts for 10 days, 15 days, and then it's done. But no, this time, trying to take things seriously, as the 6 months of 2025 is something that is, in my mind. So, there is this app that I'm using. Not really trying to promote it, but yes, I don't even remember the name because I just started using it yesterday. I'm finding it nice where I'm actually, recording my income and expenses. Let's see. I am going to be consistent and will be recording it every day, all the expenses and income, and trying to find out where is the place where I am spending my money uselessly, which can be used in a better way. There was one more thing I was supposed to record, but I forgot. I'll record it once I remember. Yes. Bye bye.